Kimberly Turner from cookingwithkimberly.com, and this is what I say about food. And this is what I say about REA, R-E-A, Mild Italian Sausage. Now, they have a mild, a medium, and a spicy one. This one in particular seems to be the most perfect for my family because everyone enjoys it. Everyone likes it for different reasons. My guy, he doesn't like onion and garlic very much, so it's not a very garlicky Italian sausage, and that's usually the problem when I buy other Italian sausages for the family, is that he thinks they are way too garlicky, so he doesn't like them. These are the only ones that I've found that he actually really likes. I enjoy these because they are moist, they are meaty, they have a really nice balance of pork meat to fat. And my mother likes them because they're not too spicy for her. A lot of Italian sausages are way too hot and spicy for her. So this is like the perfect medium, and they're wonderful. Not only are they great just to cook up, they're wonderful on the grill, like a whole sausage, and you can serve it with sauerkraut even. You don't even have to go the Italian way. These are delicious, I have to say. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open these up. I'm gonna tell you, these are from MariniFoods.com. So this is REA, this is one of their like sub-brands, but it's from Marini Foods. Check them out online at MariniFoods.com. They have a whole bunch of different kinds of beautiful, beautiful sausages. Mostly sausages is what I see, is salami and things like this. So let me open one of these guys up for you. Tonight I'm doing a fantastic baked rigatoni with Italian sausage and tomato sauce and mozzarella cheese, and I'm using these guys. So check out my show for how to roast Italian sausage. Is going to be these guys. Look at that. So I find that when I leave them a little bit frozen, these aren't frozen, these are all the way defrosted, because I'm just going to roast them straight like this in their whole thing. But I find when I leave them a little bit frozen, they're way easier to slice if you want to pre-slice. These are even tasty with breakfast, just saying. So this is what they look like. They're in a natural casing that's totally edible, and it's not too big and thick and, you know, too overwhelming. You can see that the ratio of meat is way more than fat. Some of them have a lot of fat or a lot of like extra filler. These don't. Very, very tasty, perfectly spiced, very meaty and lovely. They come in packs of 5, which, you know, I account for using just 1 per person, usually for dinner. Sometimes he'll have 2 if it's in a bun on the barbecue. But they're great in pasta, they're great on pizza. You can take it right out of the casing and just crumble it on the pizza, or just like fry it up. It's wonderful for stuffing. I've done that before. I use these for everything. So these are my go-to Italian sausage. If you find them in the stores, they're usually around, I don't know, $8, $9 when you find them. You sometimes can find them on a deal. But I tend to buy a bunch of packs and just have them on hand. Super fast, super easy meals. If I throw these on the barbecue, they're done in like 20 minutes. If I throw them in the oven, they're done in 20 minutes. I don't even, no muss, no fuss even. And they're very, very tasty. So that's what I say about REA Mild Italian Sausages. Make sure you check them out. I think that you'll probably like them too, okay? Check them out again, MariniFoods.com. That's where you can get more information on them, all right? They're also gluten-free and dairy-free. That's it. Follow me on Twitter at Cooking with Kim, E with a capital E. Like the fan page at Facebook.com/CookingWithKimberly. My shows are on iFood TV at my.fossum.tv/CookingWithKimberly, YouTube.com/CookingWithKimberly. You can find my channel on Roku, Cooking with Kimberly, and I'm also syndicated on Apple TV and Amazon and a few other places. Come to my website at cookingwithkimberly.com and subscribe. Interact with us and let us know what's going on in your culinary world, all right? Be a champion in your kitchen and eat deliciously. Bye!